Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with IQ. Most of the time, in a Word document, especially while writing a thesis, you have to choose different page numbers starting from a different page. For example, if you are writing a thesis, the first 8 to 10 pages have a different format usually, including acknowledgement, dedication, and table of content portion. But when you see the part introduction, it usually starts with a simple one and follows with two and so on. Here I will teach you how you can start with a specific page number of a particular page in a Word file. This is the final result. Jump into the document and see how to do it. Here let me first remove the page number so I can show you how you can do it. Okay, so now, scroll to the part of the document where you want to add a specific page number. Let me remove these page numbers first so I can show you how you can add these numbers this way. Click on the very start of the page and go to the Layout tab. Under the Break button, click on this Next Page option. This will add a break to disjoint your previous and current work in the same document. You can reverse it anytime. Now go to the Insert tab and click on Page Numbers button. Under page numbers you will see many options ranging from current position to the bottom and top of the page margins and so on. Here I want to add in the bottom of the page, so I will simply select the style that I want to copy. Usually in the middle of a bottom line. Here you go. Now you see that the page number starting from 1 has been added from the page where we placed the break. This functionality works in many sectioning scenarios in a Word file. Don't worry about the number of sections it has added. So that's how you can simply add as many sections in one Word document as you want and change header and footer information according to your need. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon.